Hello, welcome to Term 1 and our CTC101 course. My name is Dr. Brianne Wynn, and I will be your instructor over the next 8 weeks. Please take note that the first official day of this course is Monday, June 26th, and the last day of the first unit, or the first week, is Sunday, July 2nd. Please keep those two dates in mind. I'm really looking forward to a great term, but in order to get started on a good foot, it's important to do a couple of things. First and foremost, if you have not reviewed the welcome email yet that I have sent to both your post and personal email addresses, please review as soon as possible. If you have any questions and/or concerns after reviewing this, please feel free to reach out to me. Next, take note that I post 2 to 3 announcements a week. These announcements will not only be on our Blackboard classroom wall, but they will also go to your post email address. Unfortunately, they do not go to your personal email address, so I highly recommend checking your post email on a regular basis. These announcements will include pertinent information and also give you a heads up about things that are happening. Lastly, head on over to the Meet the Instructor section and learn a little bit about me. You can also get my personal contact information if you need to reach out to me. I'm really looking forward to a great term, and I hope that you are as well. Take care.